Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the HZ English Pod, where learning English is simple, slow, and clear. My name is Liam.
Hello, Liam, and hello to all our listeners around the world. I'm Sophie. We're very happy you're here today.
How are you feeling today, Sophie?
I'm feeling good. It's a new day, and I'm ready to practice English. What about you?
I'm feeling great. I have my coffee, so I'm ready too.
Of course you have coffee, Liam.
Always coffee. Before we start, let's say something important.
If you enjoy this podcast, please like this episode.
And subscribe to HZ English Pod for more easy English listening practice.
You can also share this with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, Sophie, what is today's topic?
Today, we are talking about our week.
Yes, we will talk about what we do from Monday to Sunday.
This is very useful because everyone has a week and a routine.
Exactly. Let's start with Monday.
Monday is the start of the week. Liam, do you like Mondays?
Not really. On Monday morning, I feel tired. My bed is very warm.
Same for me. My alarm clock rings and I want to sleep more.
But then I think about coffee and I get up.
Coffee helps everything. On Mondays, I go to work and check my emails.
I also work on Monday. I say hello to my coworkers and start my tasks.
Tuesday feels better than Monday.
Yes, on Tuesday I have more energy. After work, I usually cook dinner at home.
That's nice. I go for a short walk on Tuesday evening.
Walking is good for your health.
Wednesday is the middle of the week.
Yes, some people call it the middle day.
On Wednesdays, I clean my house.
That's very responsible.
I wash dishes and clean the floor. A clean home makes me feel calm.
On Wednesday evening, I meet a friend or call my family. Thursday is a quiet day for me.
Why is that?
Because I'm a little tired. I stay at home and relax.
I like Thursdays because Friday is coming.
That's true. On Thursdays, I watch TV or read a book.
I practice English on Thursday nights.
Friday is many people's favorite day.
Yes, everyone is happy on Friday.
At work, people smile more.
On Friday night, I watch a movie at home.
I order food on Friday. Pizza is my favorite.
Pizza on Friday sounds perfect.
Saturday is my favorite day.
Why do you like Saturday?
Because I don't work. I wake up late.
I wake up late too. No alarm clock.
On Saturday morning, I go to the park.
I go shopping or meet friends.
Saturday is a fun and relaxing day.
Sunday is a slow day.
Yes, on Sunday, I rest.
I visit my family on Sundays.
That's very nice. Family time is important.
In the evening, I prepare for the next week.
Sunday night feels calm, but a little sad.
Yes, because Monday is coming again.
Today, we talked about our week.
We talked about work days and weekends.
We talked about routines, rest, and free time.
Talking about your week is great English practice.
Now, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite day of the week?
Is it Monday, Friday, or Sunday?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share HZ English Pod.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.